Hello everyone, my name is Leanna Zarzar and I will be the Director for HSHMC Childcare as well as your child's lead teacher. This video is coming to you today to let you be aware of some of the key points in your parent handbook. You will receive the parent handbook when you apply for the childcare. In your parent handbook, you will have a welcome letter from myself. You will have an introduction to the program and what our program will be like. Hours of operation are listed in here. We will be open from 7 a.m. to 4:30, and we will be following the Health Sciences High and Middle College calendar for holidays and school closures. The HSHMC Child Care Center will follow the same pillars as the high school. We want to be welcoming. We want to do no harm. We want to teach the children to use choice words. We want to teach them it's never late to learn and want to be the best school in the universe. And in our handbook, it will go through what does that look like in our childcare. Also in the parent handbook, you will have our schedule. I will point out some of the important things in here. I do encourage you to take the time to read your parent handbook before the first day. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me and I can answer those for you. I am going to stop on the schedule here just to point out some things, and then you can reach out to me if you have any questions. When you arrive in the morning, it's very important that you bring your child all the way into the classroom and you hand your child off to a teacher. It is California state regulation that you sign your child in using a full legal signature, and it is also very important for your child to know that they feel safe that you're leaving them. When you arrive, we encourage you to take them to the back to wash their hands. We always want to start the day with washing our hands, and then they can choose a center exploration. We will continue with our day. I am going to point out here on our schedule where it says breakfast. Although we won't be serving breakfast, we will be serving a snack that will contain 2 food groups. Examples are cereal and milk, graham crackers and milk. There will be on the parent board a snack menu posted so you're aware of the snacks that we are serving. If you'd like to bring something from home, that is fine as well. Going further down the schedule, you can see it also mentions lunchtime. We are going to be a nut-free environment, so if you could please, when you are preparing your child's lunch or snacks, that you're aware of that. No peanuts, almonds, cashews, cashew milk, almond milk. You can provide soy milk, rice milk, if you prefer. In your lunchbox, you need to make sure that you provide 4 food groups. That is a licensing regulation as well. If you're in a bind and you need ideas, please go to google.com and search preschool lunch ideas, and there will be lots of ideas there for you. After lunch, we will have nap time. We will be providing at HSHMC the cots for your child to rest on. We do require for you to bring a sheet and a blanket, 2 blankets, or a nap roll-up from home. Those napping materials will be sent home on the last day your child attends each week. They'll need to be washed and returned the following week. You can see also we have a second snack time on our schedule. There again, we will be providing 2 food groups, and you can check our snack menu for what that will be. We will be going outside, so we do encourage you to please send your children in closed-toe and closed-heeled shoes, and that is for their protection while riding tricycles, climbing, playing with sand, and playing with our outside equipment. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out to me at any time at lzarzar@healthscienceshigh.com. I feel it very important for you to be aware that on the first day of school, your child might cry, and that is okay. Please come with extra time so that your child can transition into the classroom. Please also be aware that it is very important that before you leave, that you tell your child that you are coming back. Please never sneak out. Always say goodbye to your child. If your child cries, it's okay. We are there to comfort them and help them with this transition. I am very excited to start this child care and get to know you and your child. I can't wait to meet you and see you on the first day. Bye for now.